So a while ago I did a review about this war pickup Toyota Landcruiser. I thought it was really good, so I ordered another one. Actually, I ordered two without the decal here on the side. What was it saying? Something like Peacekeeper or something. But unfortunately they sent me again this one, so now I got two. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'll show you this one again, but we start with the new one right here. It's in a 1/64 scale diecast model, and it is from the brand Hobby Fans. Here we got the back of the package, barcode, article number. Okay, let's take it out. Nice box package, no screws or whatever. Oh, do I have a broken part? No, it doesn't look like it. I think this belongs right here. And it is for, let's take the car out. I think it is for this right here. So we can place it here like this, and then we also have some, let's have a look at this first. Let's place it a little bit to here, and we're going to lower the camera. Yep. Okay, so here we got the air defense weapon, and I believe we can, yeah, see, so you can lower it or up like this, and then we can place it in the back of the truck. There is no figure. With the other one, oh no, wait a minute, I think they sent the right one. I think I am wrong. I think this one is with the decal on the side that says Peacekeeper or something. But this one is without the machine gun and without the figure. I have to look it up. And then I can see if I am wrong myself or the seller. Okay, so there is the tow bar right here. We're going to have a look at that later. And then here we got the complete set. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. So here some rocket grenade launcher, also with a moving part. This is made out of plastic. The tires are rubber, so that's good, but the rest is plastic. You have to be careful with that. Then we got this little wheel right here. I thought it was broken, but I think it's, you have to do it out here. There's also a hole right here, and I think we have to, like I said, you have to be careful. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That works perfect. Now let's have a look at the car. Toyota Landcruiser, really strong vehicle. I believe they stopped the production, but because it was so popular, especially in conflict zones, they restart the production line. I think we can open this. With the last review about the other one, I didn't notice that. And somebody in the comments let me know, hey, you can open the back. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. Spare tire is made out of rubber. I really like that it's a weathered version. That makes it much more realistic. We got a good interior. There we go. Nice interior, left-hand drive, some details on the dashboard. air intake snorkel here on the side. We also have an opening part right here with some details, and we can see it's a V6 engine, Toyota, and even some colored parts here on the left. Lanced headlights and painted rear lights. Let's see if I can place it back. Yep. Then the base is made out of metal. We like that, don't we? Yeah, overall, it's a very, very good car. Now I'm going to look up, so I'm back in a sec, if the seller made a mistake or not. And then we're going to unbox this beauty right here. And I also have some cool figures. So I looked it up. In total, there are seven different variations, and I show them now in the screen. So I was wrong. The seller sent me the right pickup, and this one, yes, it also comes with the piece. Hello, welcome. Peace sign on the side. Let's open it up. Oh, I'll show you the back for the ones who are interested. Yeah. And then we're going to... Whoa. Be careful. I'm going to take it out. So here it is, also a weathered version, spare tire, with an opening part right here. Metal base, normal screws, we also like that. Very good rolling wheels. And an opening hood right here. So yeah, basically the same vehicle, different color. Then I have some cool figures, and let's also take this diorama. This diorama I also got new. Oop. Let's place the vehicle right here. There we go. And then, yes, I told you I have some interesting figures. So these figures come here in this box. Very well packed. Got an extra grenade launcher right here. We got some grenades, sandbags, ammunition box. I'm going to place them right here. Then I got this dude right here, sticking his fingers in his ear. Really well painted. So he's going next to the... Oh. Yep. Then I've got this one. Not sure what he's doing. He has a walkie-talkie and a binocular in his hands. Looks pretty awesome. Let's place him here in the back. I hope he stands. Yes, no problem at all. And I've got another one right here. And he got a grenade. Very well painted. I like it with the red head with the green bandage. So he needs to be like this. Yep. And then the last figure. He's holding a map, doing some calculation. Also very well painted. Oh, there's even some painting on the map. That is really good. So, and then we got a nice diorama. I think it's pretty cool looking. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.